I want to walk you through in this video how you're actually going to find the values that you need for the data sets that we work with. And so if you go in through the Assignments tab, and in the Assignments tab, you're going to see all of your knowledge check assignments. And for the knowledge checks, you're directed to use data sets from your textbook. So you will always follow the link in the Module 2 knowledge check, and that will bring you to your textbook page, which can be a little disorienting. So if you see your textbook page, you're going to scroll to the bottom, and you're going to want to scroll all the way down, and you see support material. You are looking for student resources, and we want to download the data sets. We're not interested in the student resources. So if we click on data sets, it's actually going to download the data sets to my computer. And so if I open them, I'm able to see a lot of different files. And this is where it gets a little interesting with the files, is that we use different ones at different times, but for the most part, the one we're going to live in is hsbdata.save. And so when you open this data set, and my computer obviously doesn't know what to open it with, I actually have to save this to my desktop, and then I have to open it from SPSS. So you may also have the same experience. I'm not sure why that happens for some of us, but it does. And so I actually have to load SPSS. And it's always going to take a hot minute anytime you load it. And so what I can do is I can open a previous data set. So this is kind of a confusing situation. So I close it, and then I actually go in here, and I'm going to tell it, hey, I want you to open a data set. And it's on my desktop, and it's called hsbdata.sav. And so this is how I get into data. You might have a slightly different experience based on your SPSS, or based on the fact that you have a PC versus a Mac. So this will actually allow me to get into my data set, and then I'm actually able to view and control functions within it. And I have an output document, so it does help me with that. So in the next couple of videos, we'll talk about how do I actually do something with my data, and then you'll see how that works. But this would be the process just to get your data opened.